Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to free transform elements in Canva so you can resize, rotate, and adjust them with flexibility. Whether you want to turn elements for your layout or create a custom look, these features give you better control over your designs. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, let's say you have a circle element here. To freely transform your elements, we start by adjusting the size. Next, we adjust the position. Simply click and drag the element to place it exactly where you want it. You can also add other elements to your design. For example, let's add a photo. Once the photo is added, it becomes an element you can work with just like any other. We can adjust it by using the crop tool to trim it down. We can also rotate the photo to any angle we like. And we can resize it in different aspect ratios to fit our design needs. This is how we freely transform elements in Canva. As you can see, we can resize, reposition, and rotate anything on the canvas. It gives us full control over how our design looks. And that's how we free transform elements in Canva in just a few simple steps. It's a great way to customize your design and get everything exactly how you want it.